Sampai sa nangagbisita tabo minatang dini makpalad-palad ita gupia. Si Mr. Pio Sernal, palad-palad gupia bu minatang dini guid.
Palad-palad gupya.
Sampai soksawanan si Mrs. Kit Sernal.
Good morning. Thank you.
Makpalad-palad ami gupia dini project bigan nyo dinami. Bu
Welcome.
dalagang bata bu dalag dini kananan. Dunay bata liwan damadi ni Sir Joseph Huang. Makpalad-palad ami gupya ni Sir Joseph Huang. Na matang din nag gumangan daw dun pada maksuportar matang din nami dini palad-palad. In English dialect. Dear Sir Joseph Huang, in behalf in adult Saksi class, I would like to thank you for making Saksi project our students. Activities to promote knowledge and skill of indigenous Sabanan 2006 are real success. What you have given to us have helped us so much. Your support gave us chance to open the horizon that gave us a better education. Without you, we are nothing. We brave, therefore, invite you again to give according to the blessings God has bestowed upon you. We banks of God promise to bless in many ways, ever more than what you could ever even imagine. It is our fervent prayer that's in God. There rings more melodies in your hearts, and may God bless you in all your endeavor. Thank you so much.